Hello, Julie here and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to do a flip through of this waterfall journal that I created using paper bags. I've used a silk ribbon, I suppose it is, seam binding, not sure. Anyway, it is what I've used to tie my journal shut, and it just ties through a eyelet in a tab. So there we have the tab and the eyelet, and that's it from the top. So it stands up on its own. It's a cute little journal, very handy. I've put a couple of beaded dangles on the side, and I've got some lace and some braid along here as decoration. I've also got a flower with some leaves and label here, and I've put some glossy accents on the centre of the flower just for a little bit of added dimension. Okay, so as you can see, it's a waterfall, and we open up. I've just added some little bit of decoration. I mean, you can still write through there. There's plenty of writing space in this journal. So writing there, and we have a journaling card here that is backed with coffee dyed cardstock. So that's 300 GSM cardstock. So that's a nice sturdy. They're all the same, tags and journaling cards. I haven't embellished this at all because I thought it was quite pretty like it is, and plus you could write on that and write on that side. So this pocket, I've got a little bit of decoration on here. That's a sticker and a label. In this one opens at the top, and we have a tall tag in there, once again backed with the same cardstock. Little decoration on there. I've tried to keep everything pretty flat because I didn't want it to get too bulky. Little bit of decoration here, writing, and a journaling card here. It's got just a label and a few die cuts there. These are little clusters that I've added. This one hasn't got a pocket at the top or the side, that's just a solid page. And this one is another little cluster that's added to that. Writing here, and a nice journaling card with a bit of decoration here. I've put a little bit of lace coffee dyed paper in there, just a little place to write a note if you wanted to, and that just pops in because that's a little seed pocket, a seed envelope, so that just pops in there, and that pops back in there. A die cut and a label there, and we have a tag at the top of this one. So it's got a nice little bit of decoration there, plenty of writing space on both sides of that one. I haven't actually counted how many pages in this, but plenty. Writing, another little cluster and with a wax seal on that one. And we've got our journaling card in here. This one was such a pretty paper, I didn't want to put anything over the top of that. Plus you can write on that. That's muted enough that you can write on that without any problem. Here we have a fairly busy paper. It'd be nice for a photo or something like that, I thought. And just a little cluster here, and this is printed onto the paper that's doing the coating of the thing. This one hasn't got a pocket top or side. Little bit of embellishment there. And here we have our last journaling card, a big journaling card. I've just put some decoration on that, but you could write over that whole thing if you wanted to, but I thought it was plenty big enough with the back, so I did go a bit bigger with the decoration on this one. Now that pops back in there, and then we've got our back cover. Okay, so that's my little waterfall journal all finished. So this just wraps around. You can wrap it above or below that tab there, and then it just ties with this other piece here. It will expand as you add things to it. You will find this in my Ko-fi and my Etsy shop for sale, so if you're interested, the link will be below. So pop over and check it out. So there we go. That's it. So I hope you have enjoyed this video, and I hope you like my little waterfall journal. I've had these bags sitting around for some time, and I thought I'd better use them. I have got 2 other videos showing how I made these, so if you want to have a look in my YouTube channel, it would be under Waterfall. Just search Waterfall journal and it will come up. This is, I think this is the first waterfall journal I've got in there anyway. Okay, enough from me. Thank you for joining me. I hope you can join me when I post my next video. Okay, bye.